In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send invoices in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to open a new invoice, what details to fill in, and how to review and send it with confidence. First, head to QuickBooks Online and sign in to your company. You'll land on your dashboard or the Get Things Done page. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct company file, especially if you manage more than one business, so the invoice posts to the right books. Next, open the Create menu. You'll find a button labeled Create near the top of the page. Click it to open the list of transaction types. This menu is your starting point for most day-to-day tasks, and it's where you'll access invoices. From that menu, choose Invoice. QuickBooks will open a blank invoice form. Think of this as your workspace. Everything the customer sees and everything QuickBooks needs for your records lives here. If you've customized your invoice template previously, it will appear with your logo and style. If not, you can still proceed and customize later without affecting the current steps. Now, fill in the invoice details. Select your customer and verify their email address so the invoice can be delivered successfully. Set the invoice date and payment terms. QuickBooks will calculate the due date based on the terms you select. The invoice number usually autofills, but you can adjust it if needed to match your numbering system. Add your products or services on each line, including quantity, rate, and any applicable sales tax. If you track categories like class or location, choose them here for accurate reporting. You can include a message on the invoice to clarify what's included. Attach supporting documents like a signed estimate and add a discount or shipping if it applies to your sale. If online payments are enabled for your company, you'll see options to allow card or bank payments, which can help you get paid faster. Take a moment to scan the totals at the bottom and confirm everything looks correct. When you're ready, choose Review and send to preview the invoice. This lets you check the email subject and message your customer will see and confirm the PDF looks right. If everything checks out, send the invoice. If you're not ready to send, click Save to store it as a draft so you can return later. That's it. Your invoice is created and you're on your way to getting paid.